Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, blackheads on oily skin. But don't worry, I've got some fantastic tips to help you keep those pesky blackheads at bay. But before we jump into it, I want to quickly talk about a book that has been creating waves in the market, The Home Doctor's Book of Survival Home Remedies. This book is a treasure trove of natural remedies for various health and skincare issues, including blackheads. Check out the link in the description below to grab your copy today. Now, let's talk about oily skin and blackheads. Oily skin tends to produce more sebum, which can clog pores and lead to blackheads. But fear not, because there are steps you can take to prevent them. First up, cleanse regularly. Keeping your skin clean is essential, especially if you have oily skin. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities from your pores. Simply wet your face, apply a small amount of the cleanser, and massage it into your skin using gentle, circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Next, tone it up. Toners help to remove any remaining traces of dirt or oil after cleansing and tighten the pores, which can help prevent blackheads from forming. And last but not least, moisturize. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is crucial to maintain your skin's hydration levels and prevent it from producing excess oil. So there you have it, beauties. By following these simple steps, cleansing regularly, using a toner, and moisturizing with the right products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. And remember, for more natural remedies and skincare solutions, be sure to check out The Doctor's Book of Survival Home Remedies. The link is in the description below. Until next time, take care of yourself.